In an era where technology shapes the fabric of our daily lives, artificial intelligence emerges as a pivotal force, revolutionizing industries, redefining human interactions, and reshaping our future. From the algorithms that curate our digital experiences to the robots that could one day walk among us, AI's influence is pervasive and growing. But the journey of AI, from its inception to its current state and beyond, is a tale of ambition, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Today, we delve into this fascinating saga, exploring the milestones of artificial intelligence, from the earliest dreams of thinking machines to the sophisticated systems that learn from and adapt to the world around them. Our Odyssey begins in the 20th century with visionary mathematician Alan Turing, who pondered a question that would become the cornerstone of artificial intelligence. Can machines think? Turing proposed the now famous Turing test, setting the stage for a challenge that would inspire generations. In the 1950s, the first neural networks laid the electronic groundwork for AI, while the Dartmouth Conference in 1956 gave this burgeoning field its name. Yet, this was no smooth ascent. The initial fervor faced the harsh realities of technological limitations, leading to periods known as AI winters, where progress seemed to freeze and enthusiasm waned. Despite these setbacks, the flame of innovation burned on. The advent of powerful computing resources and the explosion of available data in the late 1990s and early 2000s reignited the AI dream. Landmark achievements, such as IBM's Deep Blue defeating world chess champion Garry Kasparov, and later Google's AlphaGo mastering the ancient game of Go, showcased AI's potential to surpass human expertise in complex tasks. The era of machine learning and deep learning dawned, heralding a new age where AI began to learn from vast datasets, improving itself in ways that mimic the learning processes of the human brain. Today, AI is no longer a mere fascination, but a tangible presence woven into the fabric of our lives. It powers the virtual assistants that manage our homes, supports doctors in diagnosing diseases with unprecedented accuracy, steers autonomous vehicles through our streets, and offers personalized learning experiences to students worldwide. But as we entrust AI with more responsibilities, we also grapple with its ethical dimensions. The questions of privacy, autonomy, and the future of work in an AI-driven world provoke vigorous debate among technologists, ethicists, and policymakers alike. Peering into the future, we stand on the brink of possibilities that once belonged to the realm of science fiction. Quantum computing promises to catapult AI into new frontiers of processing power, enabling it to tackle problems that today's computers can't solve. The prospect of artificial general intelligence, systems with the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks, looms on the horizon. This future, where AI might surpass human intelligence, known as the Singularity, is both exhilarating and unnerving. As we navigate this remarkable journey, the story of AI is far from being solely about technology. It's about how we, as a global community, engage with this powerful tool to shape a future that reflects our shared values and aspirations. It's about ensuring that as AI evolves, it does so in a way that enhances our humanity, safeguards our liberties, and enriches our lives. As we stand at this crossroads, the dialogue between humans and machines is more important than ever. Join us in exploring, understanding, and shaping the future of artificial intelligence, for it is a journey that we all take together. Thank you for embarking on this exploration of artificial intelligence with us. From its humble beginnings to the vast potential of its future, AI's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and spirit. Subscribe and stay with us for more insights into how technology continues to shape our world, our lives, and our future. Together, let's venture into the unknown, armed with curiosity and a drive to make the world a better place through the responsible use of technology.